there's a lot of investments that get done from out-of-state investors. They're not here. You can be their boots on the ground, right? You can be their inspector to make sure the contractor's on it. And you get paid. You're doing an actual work. Now, one thing is, let's say you are a handyman, right? And let's say that this house needs flooring. Well, a contractor would charge you, I don't know, $3,000. So now you still have to buy the materials, right? Maybe you use your friend's credit card. You buy the materials. You decide, I'm going to do the work myself. I am going to put the flooring down myself. You need to get paid. If you were going to pay the contractor this much money, you need to get paid that much money.